Welcome to our deep dive into the pressing issue of wildfires and droughts, as we explore the scorching reality of our warming planet. In this video, we'll uncover the intricate connection between these two environmental crises, examining the science behind wildfires and the mechanics of droughts. We'll also discuss their devastating feedback loop, illustrated by the tragic case study of the 2025 Los Angeles wildfires, as well as global examples and their far-reaching economic and health impacts. Join us as we shine a light on the environmental consequences and discuss vital strategies for mitigation and adaptation. 1. Introduction to the interconnected crisis. In recent years, the frequency and severity of wildfires and droughts have escalated globally, serving as stark indicators of our planet's changing climate. These phenomena are not isolated, they are deeply interconnected, each exacerbating the other in a vicious cycle that threatens ecosystems, economies, and human health. Understanding this relationship is crucial for developing effective mitigation and adaptation strategies. A warming planet acts as a catalyst, creating conditions that are ripe for these environmental challenges to flourish. As the Earth's temperature rises, so does the urgency to address these looming threats. The patterns and occurrences of wildfires and droughts serve as a grim reminder of the broader impacts of climate change. 2. The science behind wildfires. Wildfires are uncontrolled fires that spread rapidly, consuming vegetation and sometimes entire communities. They can ignite through natural causes like lightning strikes or human activities such as unattended campfires. Once started, their spread is influenced by factors including temperature, humidity, wind speed, and the availability of dry fuel. Climate change intensifies these conditions, leading to more frequent and severe wildfires. In regions where temperatures are rising, the length of the fire season is also extending. This means that the window for potential fire outbreaks is growing longer, increasing the risk. It's important to note that while wildfires are a natural part of many ecosystems, their increasing frequency and intensity are not. 3. The mechanics of drought. Droughts are prolonged periods of deficient rainfall resulting in water shortages. They can develop over months or years and are influenced by natural climate variability and human-induced climate change. Higher global temperatures increase evaporation rates and alter precipitation patterns, making droughts more severe and persistent. This not only affects water supply but also agriculture, energy production, and natural ecosystems. The hydrological cycle is disrupted, leading to less predictable weather patterns and water scarcity. As climates shift, regions that once received adequate rainfall may find themselves in prolonged dry spells, severely impacting local communities and economies dependent on water resources. 4. The feedback loop between droughts and wildfires. Droughts create ideal conditions for wildfires by drying out vegetation, turning it into highly flammable fuel. When a wildfire occurs, it further depletes soil moisture and destroys vegetation, reducing the land's ability to retain water and increasing the likelihood of future droughts. This feedback loop creates a cycle that is difficult to break, leading to increasingly severe environmental impacts. The aftermath of a fire often leaves behind barren landscapes, which are more susceptible to erosion and less capable of sustaining life. This continuous cycle of drought and fire can lead to desertification, making once fertile lands inhospitable. 5. Case study. The 2025 Los Angeles wildfires. In January 2025, Los Angeles experienced one of the most devastating wildfires in its history. The Palisades and Eden fires burned nearly 40,000 acres, destroyed over 12,000 structures, and resulted in at least 27 fatalities. These fires were fueled by severe drought conditions and strong Santa Ana winds, highlighting the dangerous combination of natural and human-induced factors. The economic impact was catastrophic, with losses running into billions, and the emotional toll on residents was immeasurable. The fires served as a wake-up call, prompting discussions on better urban planning and fire prevention strategies. The Los Angeles wildfires underscored the need for communities to build resilience against such disasters. 6. Global examples of the crisis. The impact of wildfires and droughts is not confined to the United States. In 2023, Canada faced its worst wildfire season on record, with over 17 million hectares burned. Similarly, South America experienced severe droughts in 2023 and 2024, leading to record low water levels and widespread wildfires in the Amazon rainforest and Pantanal wetlands. These events underscore the global nature of the crisis. In Australia, the Black Summer fires of 2019-2020 were a stark reminder of the continent's vulnerability to climate-induced disasters. The global scale of these events highlights the interconnectedness of our environment and the shared responsibility to address these challenges. 7. Economic and health impacts. The economic toll of wildfires and droughts is staggering. The 2025 Los Angeles fires alone caused financial losses estimated between $135 billion and $150 billion. Beyond property damage, these events disrupt agriculture, leading to food shortages and increased prices. Health impacts include respiratory issues from smoke inhalation and mental health challenges due to displacement and loss. The burden on healthcare systems is immense, with increased hospital admissions and long-term health consequences for affected populations. Insurance costs also rise, putting additional financial pressure on individuals and governments. The socio-economic divide is often exacerbated, as vulnerable communities bear the brunt of these impacts. 8. Environmental consequences. Wildfires release significant amounts of carbon dioxide, contributing to global warming. They also destroy habitats, leading to loss of biodiversity. Droughts exacerbate these effects by stressing water resources, leading to reduced agricultural yields and compromised water quality. The combined effect of these disasters accelerates the degradation of ecosystems. Soil erosion becomes rampant, and aquatic ecosystems suffer from reduced water levels and increased temperatures. The resilience of the natural world is tested, and without intervention, recovery may be slow or even impossible. The cascading effects of wildfires and droughts threaten the delicate balance of our ecosystems. 9. Mitigation and adaptation strategies. Addressing the intertwined challenges of wildfires and droughts requires a multifaceted approach. Mitigation efforts include reducing greenhouse gas emissions to slow climate change and implementing sustainable land management practices. Adaptation strategies involve developing drought-resistant crops, improving water management systems, and enhancing community preparedness for wildfire events. Governments and communities need to collaborate to create effective policies and share resources. Education and awareness campaigns can empower individuals to make informed decisions and contribute to collective efforts. By investing in research and technology, we can devise innovative solutions to combat these environmental crises.